your little ones as we cross over the valley.
Hi, Mama.
To your right is the Loch Ness Monster.
Finn.
More than 30 years ago, this creature
Hi, Julie.
was
Hi, Finn.
right here at Busch Gardens. This interlocking, double-looping coaster stretches a monstrous 13 stories tall before racing those who challenge it down a 114-foot drop with speeds as fast as 60 miles per hour.
Pretty cool.
In Ireland, don't forget to see Celtic Fire. Meet us in Dublin's favorite gathering place for an exciting, high-energy show filled with stories, singers, musicians, and the magic of Irish dance. And now, Celtic Fire, Busch Gardens' award-winning show, is offering a new, unforgettable experience with Celtic Dance.
I would not want to be them.
Situated inside Ireland's Castle O'Sullivan, this exclusive, all-you-care-to-eat dinner buffet features the best offerings of Ireland. Celtic Fire performers will accompany the delicious meal with a special...
Finn, choo-choo. Finn, are you on the train?
As we approach